Very good morning. Here I am Rajneesh, looking for the final day of the chapter model, especially for the class 8th, 9th, and the 10th. In the last 2 days, I discussed about the modal, definition of the modal, and different type of the pure model. Then after I discussed about the semi-modal or quasi-modal, and today I am discussing about the very important model that has having that this type of the model having the great attitude for expression. Here I am. Could, would, should. Very simple. These three modals are reserved. Could, would, and the should. These three modals are the reserved to pay the special attention, to pay the special regards, to pay the special request to the seniors one, to the elders one. Suppose I am a very much desirous, I am in the great exigency of the 500 rupees from my father. If I say, Father, if I request Father, please give me 500 rupees. Yeah, Father, can you give me 500 rupees? Yeah, both is not up to the mark, not a very good English. The best is here. Could you, Father, give me the 500 rupees? Or would you, Father, give me 500 rupees? Or should you, Father, give me 500 rupees? You have the three choices here. You can use could at the place of would. You can use should at the place of use. Should. So, this is again I am recapping should, could, and the would. These three models are a very specially model. These are the meant only to the pay the regards and the respect to the seniors and the elders. Is it clear? Yes. Right now, I am coming on a could be. The real meaning of the could be satta. This work could be done. ये काम किया जा सकता था. This work should be. ये काम होना चाहिए था. This work would be. ये काम अगर होता है तो अच्छा होता है. These are the hidden senses. Again, I am coming on. Could have plus V3. राम पटना पहुंच सकता होगा या पहुंच चुका होगा. राम कुड हैव रीच्ड पटना. उसको नाश्ता कर लेना चाहिए था. ही शुड हैव टेकन द ब्रेकफास्ट V3 and he would have leave that place by possible soonest. उसको ये जगह जितना जल्दी हो सके छोड़ देना चाहिए था. These are the hidden wish. Again I am here. Could have been. Could have been added with the V3. This work could have been completed 2 days before. ये काम जो अभी हो रहा है इसको 2 दिन पहले हो जाना चाहिए था. This work could have been done 2 days before. In the same manner, we can use here should have been. This breakfast should have been prepared. This dry breakfast could have been prepared early. Again, you should have been in a proper dress early. तुमको ये पहले से ड्रेस में हो जाना चाहिए. Again, like the must be. As you know, the must has a commitment. There is no if and the buts 100% certainty. This must be done means ये काम होने को. This must have been plus V3 means कि ये पार्टी आज 7:30 बजे होनी है. This party must have been performed by 7:30 and must have been पहले इस तरह की पार्टी विदाउट फेल हुआ किया करती रही है. Then after maybe again the 50% plus 50% minus. It may be done choice, 50% choice of the happening, 15% choice of not happening. It may have been done. You have appeared in the exam, you may have passed. आपने एग्जाम दिया, पास कर सकते हैं, but the possibility is the 50% plus and the minus. And the might be this having the very less percent chance, only 30% chance. Might be. Again, if I say you are appearing in the exam, you might have been passed in the upcoming examination. मतलब शायद आपको बहुत ही कम संभावना है पास होने की, क्योंकि might is concerned with the 30% possibility. Here, this is a very typical type of a model. You must go through it, because when you will talk in the English and when you will give the answer of the social science paper, history, geography, and when you will talk in the English, this sort of the model varieties are of the great use. You must understand it and you apply it. You must understand what is the best way, what is the best situation to apply could, can, could be, could have been, may have, might have been, must have been, will, would have been, would be, should be, should have been. So you must know the ins and the out, the secret of the placing and the using of these all the models. So if you will realize and if you will acknowledge the real science of where I have to add, and this is the best suited model, only then you will be the smart enough among your students. And as you know, I am repeating this since if your model is good, your attitude of expression is at par. If your model is not up to the mark, if you are not confident in the model, it means your expression, your statement is not very much targeted. In the meantime, I am thanking you and closing my lecture. Tomorrow again we will see you. In the meantime, go through. This is the important chapter. I delivered the 3 days lecture on the model itself. Again, please go through it. I have gave you the best study and the best available model types on this earth. This is model important for the class 8, class 9 and the class 10. Thank you very much. In the meantime, please stay in your home. Thank you.